Hey guys, my name is Kaylee Walston, and today I'm going to be doing Lab 4. This is exploring density. So there's a couple different activities, and I'm going to start with activity 1, and that is where we are going to use 3 cylinders. We've got the aluminum. It's a little tiny cylinder right here. It's aluminum, acrylic, and then polyethylene, I don't know. We're going to use these. And so we have to do the mass, height, diameter, radius, calculated volume, and density. So first it says to use a balance, measure the mass of each of these. So we'll go ahead and start with the aluminum. Okay. Okay, that says 4.3 grams. The next one we'll do the acrylic. And that one's 1.87 grams. Next we'll do the polyethylene. That's 1.55 grams. Next we're going to do the height, and we'll go ahead and use this little ruler right here. Over here, and we will start with the aluminum again. Okay. Okay, it's 1.3 centimeters. And then for the acrylic, that's also 1.3 centimeters. And then the polyethylene right here, this is also 1.3. And then next it says to do the diameter, and the equation for diameter is 2 times the radius, or, yeah, okay. So actually we'll start with the radius, and we'll do this one. Okay, the radius of the aluminum is 6.6 centimeters. For the acrylic, we've got 0.6. And then for the poly, this one's looking like it's a little larger, so 6.25. So then there we can do the diameter, which is 2 times the radius. So we already got the radius, so we're just going to multiply that times 2. So that's going to be 1.2 centimeters. Then the acrylic was also 16 centimeters for the radius, so that's also going to be 1.2 centimeters. Then for the polyethylene, we have 0.625 times 2, that's 1.25. Okay, now we're going to go to the calculated volume, and that is V equals pi times the radius times 2 times height. And the value of pi is 3.14. So we'll go ahead and do so for the aluminum, 8.14 times the radius, 0.6 times 2 times 1.3. And that's 4.89, so 4.9. And then for the acrylic, we'll do pi 3.14 times the radius is 0.6 times 2 times 0.3. So this is probably, yeah. So it's the same thing as the first one because they're both the same. And then pi times radius was 0.625 times height, and that's, that's 5.105. Then those are all in centimeters cubed with a 3. Then now we're going to go do the density, and that's just density equals the mass divided by the volume, and that is going to be, for the aluminum, we have 4.3 divided by 4.91. So I have 0.8774. Then for the acrylic, we will do 1.87 divided by the same thing that we had earlier. And then that's 0.3816. And then for the last one, polyethylene, we have 1.55 divided by 5.15, and then that's going to be 3.3036. So that's about it. That was for activity 1, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of the activities, and I hope you enjoyed.